Hello guys, in this video we are gonna talk about how to bid on eBay. So it's really simple and it's been a thing for almost a decade or two. So it's pretty simple. So in eBay you'll have a automatic bidding system. So all you have to do is press this place bid button and you place your bid and you have to have a higher bid than the one that's already placed right there so you can have the item itself. So you will be listed in the bidding in this method. So next is proxy bidding. So you can enter a maximum amount that you'd be willing to pay for the item, but the maximum amount is kept confidential from other bidders and sellers so that competence will arise. So the eBay system compares your bid to other bidders basically, and the system places bids on your behalf using only as much as you require. So it's like an automatic system where to outbid others to your maximum bid that you already placed beforehand. So what happens if you're outbid? It's gonna say this message that you have been outbid and you would like to bid again. So you will place a higher bid or more so that you will have the item guaranteed in your hands again. So it's just that simple. So that's how you basically bid on eBay.